Hello guys, and today we are going to learn digital watermarking. So let us move ahead. So I'll just open my image. So what is digital watermarking and what are the uses of that? See, digital watermarking, I have the whole table of this. Digital watermarking is the watermark first. We need to decide, then the data. Then this also, digital watermarking also helps in the secret public key of marketing. We can market with our digital watermark publicity and watermarked data. First, watermark, we need to decide the text. Then data is the data. We have secret public key is the marketing, and watermark data is the final product. So now I have a picture, and this is just a sample picture. I'll just show it to you. 1 second. So here, this is invisible watermark and this is visible watermark. Invisible watermark means it is almost that the watermark is not there. It's trying to show that this is the original picture and this is the watermark picture. Invisible watermark, you can say like it has no watermark. Visible watermark is like my company name. So I have 3 websites to show you all where you can put your company watermarks, your name watermarks, and etc. So online maker, and so guys, we have like many watermark makers. We have watermark.ws, makewatermark.com, and we have watermarkly.com. If you scroll further, you have picmonkey.com, photojet.com, picturepeople.com, .org, watermark.inc, and image2go.com. But today in this tutorial, we are going to learn just 3 watermark online softwares. Those are the top 3: watermark.ws, makewatermark.com, watermarkly.com. Let me open these. So firstly, we are going to learn makewatermark.com, and we need to click watermark for free. Select images. We have 3 options: from Dropbox, from Google Photos, from Google Drive, and from my computer. Google Drive is a storage online cloud storage application software, and we have Google Photos where you can store your photos in your cloud, and Dropbox is also same online storage device. From my computer, I click sample image watermark. This is my image. Then we need to click on next step, and I click, and we have 3 options over here: add logo, add text, remove watermark. We have not put the watermark, so this remove watermark option is not applicable, because first we need to add the watermark, and if we don't like the structure, don't like the text of the watermark, then we can remove the watermark. So first I click add text. So add text is come over here. The whole chart, all options have come over here, and we have our sample text over here. If you can see, I'll just annotate and show you. If you see here, we have our text. This is our text, and this is our option to edit the text, which I am showing now, to write a different text. So I showed you the options of how to write on the text. Like for example, I write for example my name, and if I want to add a copyright sign that nobody can copy my watermark, so just you can add this and you can put the sign. Now if you want to put the sign little down, you just need to press enter. How much you want to put it down, it's up depending upon that, and you can move it. So wait for a second. So I moved it here. This is also come here. And if you want to align the text, you have these three options over here: left align, right align, and left align, middle align, and right align. I choose as middle align, and you see the symbol is come in middle align, the symbol is come on the left align, and the symbol is come on right align. The text didn't come because it is not we cannot move the text to the right, so that is there with the alignment options, because actually the picture is small, so therefore. So now if you want to increase the height of the line, if you see this option over here, I'll just show you this option over here. If you move it over here like this, if you move it, it's going to come here, and this is going to increase the line height. I'll just show you practically. If you see, I moved it over here and the line height has increased. So if I want to change the font of the text, how should I change? So you have this small menu, we have to click that, and if I select Antonio, it's changed to the font Antonio. Isn't it good? Let us move ahead. Now there are many fonts over here, but if you see, there is premium and plus. Now for plus members, plus fonts can be used, and for premium members, premium fonts are there. But for free members, there are also a set of fonts. The sign which is not the green or the blue sign which is not over here, those are for free members, which are not paid for this website. And there are SC. This is we don't have to pay for this font. Trust me guys, the premium plan and the plus plan of this website is fantastic. I've used it. It's like fabulous. So you can go for it. You will not regret. You will like say wow. So that is there. And we have Amridi. This is the Amridi font. You can search the font also. Like I search as Verdana font is come. So like this is the font, how to change the font. Now if we want to change the color of the font, how should we change? Don't worry, we have the color text box over here. There we can change the color of the font. So I change the color, for example, to red. It's not visible, wait. So I change the color to yellow. It's yellow. I change the color to peach, it's come as peach. Change the color to black, it's come as black. Change the color to blue, it's blue. So we can add it also, like we can add the numbers also, like I'm adding number, like this is white. I just know this color number, therefore I've put this. So opacity, what is opacity now? Opacity is the visibility of the text. Now how much visible you want to show the text? So for that we need to just drag it. It's 100% now. Drag it like this. 41%. It's barely seen, guys. It's barely seen. And if I like move it to 1%, it is not there. The watermark is erased. But now as I increase the opacity of the text, it is more visible, if you see. Yes. Now rotation. How to rotate the text? 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 0 degrees. How? So this is an option to do it. If you see over here, wait for a second. So I'm increasing it. For example, I do it like this. Sorry, 153 for example. We can see the degrees over here. I'll just annotate and show you. This is the degree. Yes, so if you can see 153 is the degree. If I put it as 321, it's showing here 321 degrees. Then if I say as 334 and 357 degrees, 354 degrees, 360 will come to the normal rotation. Now if I am happy with the watermark, we can click watermark images. This will come to download the watermark, but not now. We have to add our logo to the image. How should we do that? So add logo. The same thing we can do from my computer. I have my logo over here as this, and we can set the size also of this, guys. Big, small, we can set it like this. Opacity, rotation. Then we have effects, like effects are like this, like this, like this. I choose normal and I take it up and leave it, drag it and leave it, and I have inserted my logo in the picture, if you see. Now it is the time to export my picture. Now we just need to click watermark images and output settings. JPEG quality must be maximum, superb, good or medium. If you want it on maximum, the file size will go up, but if you want it as superb, more low, good, then that is okay. And medium is the lowest, like not that good. I would choose superb. Resize images. We can click as fit width. We can see fit height, fit into rectangle, and percentage. We can add our own percentage. So I just have to click fit width and I make it as for example, I make it as 800 pixels. And if you want to preview the watermark, we can preview watermark. This is our preview. It will come like this, and if you want to close the preview, this button is there, and watermark images. We have our free version puts protected with make watermark logo on photos. Please upgrade full version to remove it. Means we'll get the watermark of this site. But no problem. We have to just click download all. Give the name. I give it as and done. You see, the file is saved. I hope guys that you like the site. So let us move to another site. Our other site is watermarkly.com. So we can add custom watermark to 50 photos in 5 minutes. Batch watermark photos right in your browser. Add custom watermarks with your logo and text. Make multi-part watermarks. Add transparent and opaque watermarks. Preserve EXIF information. Resize photos before publishing online. Import photos from your computer, Google Drive or Dropbox. Instant uploads and downloads can be possible with this website. Watermark photos without waiting in line. Use it for free with optional paid options. So we can use this for free as well as paid. This paid watermarkly.com is also fabulous. You can go for it, but now we are just using it for free. Okay, so now if you want to buy, there's an option over here. I'll just annotate and show you this buy option over here. If you can see this buy option, I'm annotated, and so that is there. Now I'll just show you the preview. This is the preview. Select the picture and open it. You change the picture and add the watermark. So let us do it. Watermark photos for free. Now we need to select our images from my computer. I put this image. Next step. Guys, don't get confused. That was makewatermark.com. This is watermarkly.com. So it's almost the same. The interface is a little different. The interface is similar, but this is also good. So we have just the same options over here which I taught you. Now if I want to remove the text over here, like this, I can remove it. This empty watermark. So we just click remove text, and we for example want to add logo. Again over here we can add over here, resize it, and done. So guys, don't get confused. I'm telling you once again, this is just the same. I just showed this website to you because it's both of them are the same. Just showed you if that website doesn't work, this is a alternative. This is just the same. If you see, just the same. So this is another website called watermark.ws. We get started. This is something different. So we need to select files to upload. I select this. Uploading. processing. Yes, and it's come. So we need to edit this if we want. And watermarking and all the editing tools are available on this toolbar. Now we have many options over here. The interface is quite very good. And watermark, we go in this first. We'll do all the options step by step. Okay, so first we have our text over here. I've taken the image which I did this from makewatermark.com. I took the same image because we can work on the same image. So I have to type my text over here. I'm typing something different that you don't get confused. So we can select our font over here as, see, again I told you this is the upgrade option. If you try to select this, it will take you to the upgrade page. So we have many, but we have many free fonts over here. That's the plus point. Cambo we have Cairo, we have a catamaran, then we have our Sinzel, Chonberry, Changa one. We have many. I choose Chonberry for example. Chonberry. This is Chonberry font. So now if I want to make it bold, this bold option is there. I want to make an italics. Italics option is there. I want to underline it. Underline option is also there. Copyright sign. The copyright sign is also over there. I put it down, or I deleted the copyright option and I put my name over here. Now I want the R option, for example. R is also come, and TM options are also coming. So this is there. I deleted the TM, and if I want to change the alignment of the text, I can change it. Select the text, alignment, it's going little and like this, for example. Or if I want to rotate the text, we have the small icon over here where we can rotate it. I'll just annotate and show you. Yes, so I'll just show you. If you can see this, yes, so this is the option to annotate, to rotate the text. Now if you want to straighten the angle, there's a fantastic option for this, straighten angle. If you can see, so this is the option. For example, you have rotated it like this, for example 90 degrees angle. Now if you want to straighten the angle to like 0 degrees, so you can just press this, it's going to come. If you want to rotate it right, we can rotate it right. If you want to move to center, we can move it to center. And this is the thing. So text color, if you want to change it text color, we have to click this. Red, for example, red is come. Text size, I want to increase it. I increase it like this. It's come big, 93 pixels. Then I make the text smaller. Line height, I want to make it bigger. Scroll to the right, it's big, 50 inches. Small, make it small. Then line height, I made it to 50, make it to 24. Now fill, yes. So now in fill, we have to make it to 100 to make the text clear to see. If we make it to like 28, it's hardly visible. But if we make it to 100, it's visible properly. 0, it is invisible. It's invisible. The element is invisible. Make it to 100. Background, we can put the background color also we can put as for example, I put it as dark brown. Then opacity is 100. I put it down. This is about the background color, guys. Then it's not there, but if I put it up, it's there. Stroke is, I have to select the color, thickness, then select the thickness as this, so you can see some change. That's the stroke. Now shadow, for creating a shadow, see, if you guys see, we have different table like coming over here. Stroke is there, then we have our background, then we have our background, yes. So we have this thing, shadow. Now to shadow this thing, I have to choose the color like this. For example, blur, I make it high, 10 pixels. Then vertical, I put it as, for example, this. You can see a shadow over here. If you can see, I'll just show you, annotate and show you. Look here, guys, small shadow you can see. See, small shadow. I change it to some other color, you can see it more properly. See, small shadow you can see. So horizontal, I make it more. So in horizontal, what happens, the shadow comes here also, here. So that is in horizontal. And title, in title tile. So tile, this comes like a tiles. Many tiles have come, you see, of one element many tiles have come, but not many elements have come. You understand? Not many text boxes have come over here. This is only one, and many copies of it has been created by the online software. So if I want to make the spacing little low, make it low. See, line spacing has become low. I want to disable it, is disabled. Diagonal lines, if I want opacity, I keep it to 100, and color I make it to, for example, I choose from here as yellow. No, I choose it to black, for example, black. So if you see, these black lines are come over here. I'll just show you. These black lines over here have come. Look, you can see black lines have come. These black lines have come, if you see, guys. So we click apply. 1 second, we click apply and save as template, obviously, apply. Successfully applied. Your operation was successfully saved as a star template and stored here. I click OK. So we have only studied the watermark option. Now crop option. In crop option, we can just decrease the width as 100 pixels. It's cropped. See, 100 for example width. Then this is the width, I put as 900 for example. 900 is the width. I put it as 800. 800 is the width. I put it as 870. Put it as 870. 870 is the width. Now height I can also change. For example, I put as 700. This 700. So this is the thing. So now guys, applying crop. It's cropped. So now guys, the video is becoming a little longer. So these options which are there, I'll show you in the next video. Okay guys. So bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.